Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the easiest, most crowd-pleasing appetizers you can make, a classic creamy dill dip that turns fresh veggies, chips, bread, or just about anything into an irresistible snack. If you're hosting a party, prepping for game day, or just want something delicious to keep in the fridge, this is the dip you'll want in your lineup. Now, dill dip might sound simple, and honestly it is, but that's what makes it so great. With just a handful of ingredients and no cooking required, you can whip it together in minutes. But the real magic comes from the perfect blend of flavors. The earthy dill, the tanginess from sour cream or Greek yogurt, and the savory depth from ingredients like dried herbs, onion, and a touch of seasoning. It's creamy, it's refreshing, and it's one of those recipes people always ask for as soon as they taste it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to make this dip absolutely perfect, from the pantry dried spices to use, to the ideal ratio of creaminess and flavor, to how long you should let it chill so all those delicious herbs can come alive. And trust me, once you've tried homemade dill dip, you'll never go back to store-bought again. We'll also talk about the best things to pair it with, whether you love carrot sticks, cucumbers, pretzels, chunks of sourdough bread, or even using it as a spread for sandwiches. This dip does it all. So stick around, hit that like button if you're ready to get cooking, and let's jump into how to make the most addictive, flavorful dill dip you'll ever try. To get started, we are going to collect all the needed ingredients. This recipe will make 2 cups, or 1 pint, or half a quart of dip. So adjust quantities as necessary. I stick to a tight budget, so I often use store brand products, but use your own favorite brands. We will need mayonnaise. I recommend using Kraft, Hellmann's, or even Great Value has a similar flavor. Sour cream. I recommend original and not reduced fat, but your choice. Dried dill weed, or you can use fresh dill if you prefer. Dried minced onion. I have not tried fresh or even powdered, but they might work, but slightly different results. Dried parsley. Again, you can try fresh, but might get different results. Dried garlic powder. Powder is probably best for a non-cooked dish to evenly blend the flavor without being overpowering. Standard table salt. Again, using fine-grained salt will blend better when not using it for cooking. For hardware, we will use an optional small microwave-safe bowl, a mixing bowl or container with a lid to store it in the refrigerator, and a spoon for mixing. I have an extra long spoon to reach the bottom of my deeper mixing container. And we will need a few measuring items: measuring cup, tablespoon, teaspoon, and 1/8 teaspoon. Most recipes just add the dried minced onion directly into the dip mix, but I like to give it a bit of a start by adding 2 tablespoons to a small microwave-safe dish, and then add a few tablespoons of water and microwave for just 10 to 15 seconds, and then let it sit in the fridge or freezer for a few minutes until it is cool and damp, but not dripping of water. While the minced onion is cooling, we start combining the ingredients. The order does not matter, but I start with 1 cup of sour cream. Then 1 cup of mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons, or maybe just a little extra, of dried dill weed. 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And then the cooled, rehydrated minced onion. Give it all a good mix to blend all the flavors. And give it a taste to confirm it is all good. Then place the dip into the refrigerator for a minimum of an hour, but overnight is even better, to allow all the dried herbs to soak in the moisture and blend the flavors. This dip will keep well in the refrigerator for about a week, so it will be ready to dish it up and serve at your next gathering or family meal, or just a quick afternoon snack with your favorite dipping snacks. When you are ready for serve this up, give it a good stir and just use a smaller dish to serve it, or you will find yourself dipping until it is all gone. I hope you find this recipe helpful and easy for you to try yourself. If you do, please tell us in the comments below or offer any changes you prefer, or what are your favorite dipping items. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe if you would be interested in seeing future content. Until next time, cook it, love it, share it.